Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We shall discuss Eid-ul-Adha related diseases in today's vlog. Some diseases related to Eid-ul-Adha include first, Congo virus. This virus can spread through animal contact, and with animals being sacrificed during Eid-ul-Adha, the risk of transmission increases. And the Congo virus leads to bleeding disorders, and bleeding starts from the nose, from the skin, and from the nasal orifices of a patient. And in most of the cases, it is a lethal disease. The second important disease is that of cholesterol and cardiac issues. The excessive consumption of meat during Eid-ul-Adha can increase cholesterol levels and cardiac issues. Then comes gastrointestinal issues. The high consumption of meat can lead to constipation, gastric problems, and gastritis. Gastroenteritis, especially during the summer days, is another complication of Eid-ul-Adha food eating. Then comes the high blood pressure. Excessive meat consumption and the high intake of salt and spices can increase blood pressure levels. Next is the kidney issues. The excessive consumption of soft drinks can harm the kidneys. Uric acid issues is another one. Excessive meat consumption can increase uric acid levels in the body. And then comes the diabetes. Diabetics need to be cautious of their meat consumption to avoid blood sugar imbalances. Thank you.